This easy macrame project uses just a few knots in different ways with different layers. It's a great beginner piece because it's quick and easy. You can find a breakdown of each knot that I'm using in this tutorial within my macrame video class. Start with a dowel or a stick about 18 inches long. I'm using 12mm single twist rope, but you can also use other sizes or even 3-ply rope and separate it into single strands. Thinner rope will create a smaller project, and thicker rope will create a thicker project. Start by cutting 6 lengths that are 36 inches each and attach them to the center of the dowel using a lark's head knot. Cut another length that is 36 inches and attach it to either side using a draped lark's head knot. Allow the center to drape 5 to 6 inches below the dowel. Now cut 9 lengths that are 12 inches each and attach them to the draped rope using a lark's head knot. Cut a length that is 36 inches. Drape one side on the left of the dowel, but don't knot it yet. Use each tail from the lark's head knots on the drape to tie a clove hitch knot onto the second draped length, creating a border below the lark's head knots. Now pull the rope through the clove hitch knot so that it is even on both sides, and then attach each end to the dowel as a draped lark's head. Cut 2 more lengths that are 8 feet each and attach them to the right side of the dowel using a lark's head knot. Begin knotting the 4 strands together to create clove hitch diamonds. As you are knotting, pull the right side of the diamonds closer together and leave the left side of the diamonds further apart. This will create a natural curve leading back up to the dowel. Complete 6 diamonds. Then drape the first 2 tails around the top of the dowel, pulling one side around to the front and knotting them both in the back again. Do the same with the second set of tails. Tuck the tails in the back to secure and hide them to mimic the look of lark's head knots. If you want to add one more layer of fringe, cut 6 lengths that are 8 inches each and attach them in pairs to the middle 3 lengths between the clove hitch diamonds using a lark's head knot. Now give your tails a trim as long as you want and gently brush out the ends. To learn more about weaving, macrame, punch needle, and more, head to my website at hellohydrangea.com for books, classes, and kits. Find me on Instagram at hellohydrangea for behind-the-scenes updates and inspiration.